Alright, what's going on? Back with another video. Today we're going to be installing the ram mount on the Ducati V4s 2019. So I went with the, I guess, B size. It's the one with the short arm. Simple ram mount for my iPhone. I have a 11 Max, and we're going to be using these toggle bolts to install it in the fork stem. So I'll show you how to do that in a couple seconds. Let me open up these boxes. All right, so this is what comes in the kit. You got your ram mount, the short extender, and then this is the piece that's gonna go inside the ball mount. So I went ahead and threw a toggle bolt on there. Make sure you put that in that orientation right there, so that way this thing springs that way, not the other way, otherwise it won't work. This was a used kit. I guess somebody else had used it, so I just got done taking that apart. So this is the part that you're going to need, and all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. So let me try to set this. All right, so here we are. You got your things that spring. Now run it down just enough so that it catches and it's not going to fall off, because you don't want to lose that. And you're just going to squeeze those and insert that down inside the stem. Now it's going to open up in there. Okay, it didn't work the first time. Trial and error. Shoot it on down in there. Let it catch. Once it catches, you want to pull up on the ram mount to put pressure on it as you drive this down. And that's going to cause it to close up. So the reason why I went with the toggle bolt is because when you use that rubber piece that comes in the kit, your ram mount, well, at least on my R6, it was all flimsy and didn't stay put. So hopefully this is going to be a more tight fit and sturdy. So it's starting to tighten up now. Don't want to put too much pressure on it. That's pretty good there. All right, it's pretty much the finished product right here. So once you get that main mount in that goes to the stem using that toggle bolt, you just attach your short arm and then position your thing with this turn knob wherever you want it to be and tighten that up. I have the 11 Max, so it's a bigger phone. So when you position it in the X grip, just make sure it's not hitting your buttons on the side, especially not this lock screen button, because if it is depressed for a couple seconds, it's going to send your phone into SOS mode and call the police pretty much. And also you want to have clearance for your key, so you can pull out your key, turn your key, and when you're done, make sure you have enough clearance for the windscreen. I have the smoked out tall windscreen coming from Moto Million, so when that comes in, I'll install that and I'll have even more clearance. But for now, everything's good. Looks good. It's functional. Got my phone mount on here, so I'm happy. So comment, like, subscribe, share the video if you like it, and stay tuned, because we did get our traction grips in the mail. We got our bar and mirrors. We got our spacers that are gonna allow us to take this off. And Moto Million also sent a couple stickers and a keychain. So shout out to the guys over at Moto Million. Manny personally emailed me back because I forgot to put in 650 Eve's promo code. So I got a little discount on all the stuff I ordered. So this is just a little bit of the stuff I ordered. I ordered a few more items. So stay tuned. We'll have install videos and all of that stuff. And yeah, I'm about to go ride the bike. So catch y'all later. Life with Justin, we out. Just installed the ram mount on my bike. I like it. Only thing is, as you see, it does cover the TFT display. Not a huge issue. I'll probably tweak it, put it in a position where it's not gonna block that. Right now, I'm not really worried about it. But I mean, I like it. It's sturdy. That just looked flimsy, but trust me, it's sturdy. I promise. So it's a lot better than my last one, I'll tell you that. But let's start the bike and get up out of here. Gotta go run some errands. Oh, I don't think it's too bad. I mean, I can still see the speed when I'm holding the handlebars, and I still see my gear. So besides being able to see the total miles and trip and whatever, I think it's good. I can still see the time, the temp, speedometer, and what gear I'm in. But honestly, you can ride a bike without seeing any of that. If you ever ridden a dirt bike, you know what I mean. Pretty much just riding a bike off a feel. And half the time, that's what you're doing. But that display is so beautiful, I tend to just be looking at it for no reason. About to be rush hour in San Diego. What, 2:15? A lot of people getting off work. But lucky for me, I'm on a motorcycle and I can lane split, so won't be an issue. Watch the display go light automatically. Oh, I love that. Man, this thing is a rocket.